What's up guys, welcome back. I just thought I'd do a super quick video on how easy it is to apply Stjarnagloss Glatt and what it does. So I've literally just washed the van, this is still wet. And you see at the moment, it's still wet. Now, what we do, carefully hang that over there. Watch, literally straight on. Watch that get to work. And that is literally, it's almost like it's killing the water. And the idea is, obviously, if water doesn't stick to your paint, then dirty water doesn't stick to your paint. And then, so now, the water just sheets up and beads off. And also, what I found is if you do a bit and you think, that could do with a bit more, once you give it the second rinse, it's literally killing it. So this is what I haven't done. That's still wet, but if I give it a bit, look at that. Good, eh? And that bit I haven't done. This bit I have done. It's nearly dry now. As is that bit. That's dry there. Good stuff, eh? There she goes, look. That is clever stuff. There you go, dry. This bit here needs a tiny bit extra. Yeah, that's reacting now much quicker. There you go. I'll leave a link to where you can go and buy some in the description below. It's not a pro promotion, I really just like the stuff. Stjarnagloss Glatt, go and buy some. And hopefully the sun's going to stay out and we can all wash our cars in the lovely sunshine.